Hi, this is Emily from BackupAssist. In this video, we will show you how to migrate a BackupAssist Classic perpetual installation with active BackupCare over to the subscription program with the MBC and transfer the remaining BackupCare months to extend the default free period in the MBC. If you have not already set up this client in the MBC, you will need to do that first. Let's get started. The first step is to deactivate the perpetual key. Go to Help, Licensing, and click on Deactivate. It's important you keep track of the license key. Copy the key and paste it somewhere because you will need to enter that into the MBC later. After you have saved the license key somewhere safe, click Deactivate, then OK. You will see it is now inactive and the Register with MBC button is now available. Click Close and you can see the product is now noted as expired. Now we can register the key with the MBC. Go to Help, Licensing, and click on the Register with MBC button. Enter your MBC username and credentials and click Authorize. Then select the client that you are registering the key to and click Register. Click Close when finished, and then go to the MBC. Now that you have registered that machine to the MBC, in order for you to transfer the remaining months of BackupCare to the MBC, you need to log on to your distributor account. Go to the MSP account and then Installations. Click on the Manage Free Period button, then select the Transfer from BackupCare tab. Click on Check for a product key with BackupCare, and the deactivated key will be automatically populated. You can double-check this with the key you saved previously. You will see a confirmation screen confirming the key has been retrieved from our perpetual system. Click OK. You will then see the date that the free period will end. Click Process. It's important to note here, the transfer process is a one-time only process. Once the key has been transferred to a subscription in the MBC, it cannot be used to license any other machine ever again. Click Continue, then OK when you see the success screen. If you refresh, you will see the end of the free period has been updated. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at distributors@backupassist.com.